I'm reflecting back on a lot that's happened, not only with this podcast, but with my life, because July 11th, this Sunday, is my 10-year anniversary from the day I was diagnosed with breast cancer. I was diagnosed July 11th, 2011. And it's not only shocking to me to think 10 years have passed already, but when I look back at that 10 years and I see how much I've learned and how much my life has changed in that time, and a lot of it because of breast cancer, because of that experience of breast cancer and what it's meant to me and the work I've had to do, or not had to do, but chosen to do on myself as a result of going through that experience. And then again, being diagnosed in 2020 and now living with the focus of healing from this disease. This show is actually going to be about the top 10 things that I have learned in the last 10 years because of going through breast cancer. And they're not going to be said in any specific order, because as I looked at them, I kind of thought about that at first. I thought, let's do a top 10 countdown. And as I wrote out the list of way more than 10 things and then had to parse it down to 10 things. But as I wrote out this list, I realized, there is no order because we're all in a different place. And you may be listening to this show in treatment. You may be listening to the show 8 years out of treatment, 6 months out of treatment, 1 day out of treatment, and we're all in a different place. And because we're in a different place, there's different things that we need for our healing. And so I want to talk about these 10 things that I've learned that have been very powerful for me. But I want you to know that, what it always comes back to is what's meaningful to you. And I'm going to share these because in the hopes that it will resonate with you, that there's something you need to hear in the experience that I've been through, and that can help you with whatever it is that you're working through at this time in your life and whatever area it is that will help you to heal the most. And it's interesting because people may think, well, you're a survivor, but you have cancer now. And that's true. I do have cancer and I am working on healing from cancer, but I'm here, damn it. And I'm taking credit for being here. I'm here 10 years after a diagnosis. I'm healing. I'm working on just supporting my body's ability to heal every day. And a lot of these lessons are what put me in that place that when I received that diagnosis of stage 4 advanced metastatic disease, I didn't fall apart, and it was because of the things that I've learned and all the coaching I've had and done, and the women that I've been able to work with, and the amount that I've learned from that experience that really helped me to get to that place.